All right, welcome back to part 2 of today's digital class. I believe in the last video I said it was day number 4. It's actually day number 5 of digital learning. So we just finished the warm-ups. Let's continue. We're going to work on SOTO number 1, and the only block that we're going to use in SOTO number 1 is a down block. So a down block is like this. The hand that's touching up top is going to block above the knee, all right? And if you were to do it with this hand, the hand that's up here goes down and blocks above the knee. You want to try to rub your arms together like you're starting a fire. Boom, and then pull this elbow back, roll the pinky up, block above your knee. Other side, boom, good. All right, and then we're going to be punching to the solar plex. Punching to the solar plex. All right, so to punch to the solar plex, just remember to the middle. Then you got your sternum. Then it gets squishy. That spot right there is your solar plex. That's where you're aiming. So you're not aiming out of line with your shoulder. You're actually aiming to the center. So I want you to think of, triangle, triangle-shaped triangle. So think of your shoulders as the base, and your hand is the point at the knuckle, and this hand is here, and I want you to imagine an imaginary line connecting the triangle. So you're making a triangle, good, and then you're also making a triangle with your base. Okay, so there's a triangle here, good. And then if you were to draw on the ground, there's an imaginary triangle in there. You're trying to stack your body up in strong shapes, which right now is a triangle. So, jelly up. We're gonna do SOTO 1. I'm gonna do it from this angle. Try to follow along. I'm going to call out which hand I'm using, which leg I'm using, what block I'm doing, and I want you to follow along as best as you can. Here we go. SOTO 1 should be, starts with the strong Perot. First move, number 1, is cover up. Look out of the left, look out of the corners of your eyes to the left, turn your head, step with the left leg, down block. All right, so you just down blocked above your left knee with your left hand. You're gonna power over, step forward, strong punch. Remember, are you looking like this? Are you looking like that? Or you have a strong base with your shoulders, like your back's against the wall. Strong elbow strike, knuckles facing solar plex, pointing at the solar plex. So now we're going to go this way. Right hand is touching my left side of the neck. I'm going to look over my right shoulder. I'm going to take my right foot, do a half circle with my right foot, and then turn into my walking stance down block. Down block just over the right knee. Now, we're going to power over. Just means that we're going to point. We're about to go with our knuckles. Power over, punch to the solar plex. Awesome. Next move, we're going to look to our left. Take your left hand, touch your right side of your neck with your left hand, down block over the left leg with the left hand. Now, power over, punch. Step forward, punch. Step forward. This is the last move. Hit! Awesome. That's the first 8 moves. Now, we're going to continue. You're going to take this left hand that's on the hip, touch your neck. You're going to take your left foot and step wide enough behind your front foot, and then all you do is just untwist your feet into a down block with a strong walking stance. Next, your power over, step forward with your punch. All right, next move, the hand is out now. Watch your neck. Look over your right shoulder. The right hand is touching the left side of your neck. You're looking over your right shoulder. You take your right foot, turn 180 degrees to the right. Block over your right foot. Power over, step forward, punch. Now you're going to look this way, going back down the eye. You're going to take your left hand, block the right side of your neck, covering up, step out deep enough into your down block. Left hand is blocking over the left knee. Here we go. Power over, step forward with the punch. Step forward with the punch. One more. Key up! That's where we key up on the end of that. Then you're going to touch your neck. Take your left leg. Make sure that you do your half circle wide enough so that you land in a solid stance that's not shaky. Power over, step forward, punch. You're going to take this hand, which is your right hand, touch your left neck, look over your right shoulder, down block over your right leg. Step forward and punch. Look over your left shoulder. Let me stand shoot this way so you can see me. Perot. Yes, I can. All right, let's do it again. Here we go. Chop up. Side one. Chimbi. Hey! Here we go. 1, hop, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count. 1, hey, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count. 1, 2, 3. Count. Look over your left shoulder and Perot. Yes, I can. Look, your Perot looks like this. Yes, I can. Now, we're going to do it at a different angle. I hope this doesn't confuse you, because it might confuse me a little bit. But you should be able to do this form facing any direction in space and time. Upside down, standing on a wall, if that was possible. You should be able to do this form in this pattern and know it. Just understand it. Okay, so, ready? Shut up! Now we're going to do it facing this way. So you're facing me, I'm facing you. It's going to be a little bit different. Here we go. Sada one, Chimbi. Ha! Ready. Left leg, left hand. Hey! 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to go to my left. 5, 6, 7. Kia! Here we go. Block. 1, ha, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kia! 1, 2, 3. Kia! Look over your shoulder. Perot. Yes, I can. Shake it out. All right, now we're going to do it again facing this way. Shove it up. Sada one. Chimbi. Hey! Stepped out with the left leg. Strong Perot. Good. Number one, look over your shoulder, down block. Good. Number two, step forward, punch. Number three, down block. Number four, step forward, punch. Number 5, look over your left shoulder, down block. Number 6, step forward, punch. 7, yeah! Number 1, this is the spinning turn, like this. Good. 2, 3, this way. 4, 5, back down the eye. 6, 7, yeah! All right, to the left. This is our second spinning turn. 1, ha, 2, 3. One more. Cat! Look over your shoulder and Perot. Make sure it's a strong Perot. Shake it out. Awesome. Let's do it without me explaining it. I'm just going to count. Ready? Shut up. Sada one. Chimbi. Hey! 1. Hey! 2. 3. 4. over your shoulder, and Puro. Shake it out. That is Sado 1. So, let's go over one more time. I'm going to do the count. Here we go. Sado 1. Chimbi. Hey! 1. We'll go a little slower. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Yeah! 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Get up! 1. 2. 3. Get up! Look to the left. Puro. Roll those knuckles. Strong Puro. Strong Puro. Here. Step in and bow. Shake it out. Very good. Very good. Okay. So your homework for today is, if you're a white belt, to have somebody film you doing the first 8 moves. The first 8 moves of Sado number 1. If you're a yellow belt or above, I want you to film yourself or to have somebody film you doing all of the techniques. Okay, so you're going to do the first 8, and then you're going to do the next 12. All right, so the first move is down block to the left, power over punch, turn this way, down block to the right, power over punch, then this way, down block, and you're going to punch, punch, punch. Remember, spinning turn, down block, power over punch, spinning turn this way, down block, power over punch, then we come back this way, down block, punch, 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 and then we turn, down block, punch, then we turn this way, down block, and one more. Hey! And then we'll Puro, but we Puro this way. Boom. I'm going to do it to you so it looks better. Good. So that's your homework. I want you to videotape yourself doing the first 8 moves or the whole kata. I hope this video was beneficial to you. Sado 1 is a little bit confusing, but once you get it that it's just an I formation pattern, and you learn the way that you're supposed to turn, and then you're supposed to block, and then the way that you're supposed to move, this will start to make a lot of sense for you. And if you really pay attention to the way that your stance is, and the deeper stance that you have, and the more comfortable you are in your deep stance, the kata and the form comes together for you. And that it's a beautiful thing. So just keep training, keep practicing. Nothing, you can never, it's really hard to be an expert at something overnight. It takes practice over time, diligently. So diligence over time equals excellence, okay? And you got to have the honor to go through that process, and you also have to have the courage to continue on, continue on, continue on. Thank you, and let's bow out the class. Shelly up! Repeat after me. Sanjo Academy. Respect, patience, discipline, honor, courage, confidence. Bow the American flag. Yeah. Bow to me. Kinye. Class dismissed. We forgot to bow to the parents. So real quick, bow to your parents. Give them a high five. Give them a big hug. Tell them you love them. And I'll see you tomorrow.